how to add music to your Instagram post using your laptop. If you've ever wondered how to make your Instagram post more engaging with the perfect soundtrack, you're in the right place. First things first, open the Instagram app on your laptop. Now tap on Create Post. Here you need to select whatever video or post that you want. Now you need to know that Instagram on desktop has some limitations compared to the mobile app, so you won't be able to add music directly. However, don't worry, there's a workaround. Now what you need to do is simply post a video that already has an audio or music that you want. Simply click on it, then click on next and post it. After you've posted it, your photo or video or your post will have the music that your video already has, and the sound will be yours, so others can use it if you have permission on. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added music to your Instagram post. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.